Hey guys, Kevin here with Volitant. Just getting ready to go out and check cows. We're pretty close to calving season. You know how that goes. Could be 2 weeks early, could be 2 weeks late. Due March 1st, so I thought I'd run out and just check them. They're getting to be that time of night where they're bedded down and time to go check them while they're settled in. I've got the Matrice 4T here. It does have the spotlights on it, which make a huge difference for what we're about ready to do. The drone's ready to go. Now I can turn the thermal on and start to head for where the cows are at. Notice that the trees come up as white. We have white hot as part of the setting here tonight. And you can see the cows. I can see them. They were about a quarter mile away right there, but that's where they're laying. Fed them a bale of hay. We're going to bring them home later this week. Just need to go check on them and make sure everybody's okay. Should have 20 animals out there. So just as an interesting little factoid there, if you see this one cow that kind of in the center of the screen, don't even know, that could be a calf. Who knows? Pretty small object right underneath the animal. Let's just see. So I'm going to turn the light on, and I'm going to go to my wide mode. Notice you can't hardly see a thing there. Well, guess, lo and behold, it's not a calf. It's just a turd. And by the way, I'm about, like I say, I can't tell exactly. I'm still probably a good 400 or 500 feet away and 121 feet in the air. So basically the camera, wherever the camera is facing is where the light shines. Looks like everybody's doing okay. I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna go back to IR and just get a good count here. Okay, got 20 animals. Everybody seems to be in good shape. We'll get a good look at this one on the other side of that tree. So that's the deal. Go out, check cows. 5 minutes later, we're bringing her home. I just go to the home point there. Kind of a cool deal. Love doing it. Okay, the drone is behind me. It's going to be coming in, but what I like to do is I like to just basically face the camera straight down, and then I can see my home point out in front of me there, and I can just drive the drone via the camera into where I need to be. I know I'm at 122 feet, which is plenty of altitude. Now I can hear it coming. It's right behind me, and I like to land it just because it's easier for me to land it on this table. Bring it down, and the wind's kicking up. The drone lights its way down. So that's it. Kevin here with Volitant. We're going to be doing these every once in a while throughout the season, just to kind of give you an idea of the value of that particular drone. It's the Matrice 4T with a spotlight on it.